In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Teams from opening on startup. If Teams launches every time you turn on your computer, it can slow down your startup experience and add extra distractions before you're ready to use it. The good news is that on Windows 10 and Windows 11, this is easy to change, and I'll walk you through two simple methods. The first method is to turn off startup directly inside Microsoft Teams. Start by opening Microsoft Teams. Once it's open, look to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From there, open Settings and More, then choose Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select General. Now look for a section labeled System or Startup. The exact wording can vary a little depending on your version of Teams, but you're looking for the option that controls whether Teams starts automatically when your computer turns on. Turn off Auto Start Teams or any similar option that says Teams can launch automatically. Once that setting is disabled, close Teams. This method is usually the quickest because you're changing the behavior directly in the app itself. If you ever want Teams to open automatically again in the future, you can return to the same settings and switch it back on. If you'd rather manage startup apps from Windows instead, there's a second method. Press Windows and I on your keyboard at the same time to open the Settings app. In Settings, click Apps, then select Startup. This area shows the programs that are allowed to launch when Windows starts. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Teams. When you see it, turn the toggle to off. That tells Windows not to open Teams automatically during startup. After that, restart your computer to confirm that Teams no longer opens on its own. Using Windows startup settings can be especially helpful if Teams still tries to launch after changing its internal settings, or if you simply prefer to manage all startup apps in one place. So to recap, you have two ways to stop Microsoft Teams from opening on startup. Either disable auto start from inside Teams settings or turn Teams off in the Windows startup apps list. Both options are straightforward, and either one should help keep your computer startup a little cleaner and faster. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.